Tunghayan natin ang buhay ng isang tutang gala. Alright, sinong mag-aakala na ang isang aspin ng Pilipinas ay makakarating sa lugar ng mga mayayaman? At hindi lang yan, buhay prinsesa siya ngayon. Dahil siya lang naman ang best friend ng ating idol na si Brett Maverick. Bago ang lahat, please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share, and hit that notification bell para po updated kayo sa mga bagong video aking i-upload. Okay, ito na po siya. Panoorin natin ang kanyang journey from Cagayan de Oro City to Canada. Here she is. Arriving in Canada. Let's go and follow her journey. Yan, ipanood natin ang life journey ni Butter. I hope na she will enjoy for the rest of her life together with her dad. So Butter, I wish you all the best together with your dad and your mom over there. Enjoy life. You are one in a million lucky dog. We love you, Butter and Brett, and see you again for your next vlog. I hope you enjoy it, guys. It's just a moment for our little Aspin from Cagayan de Oro to Canada. Enjoy watching and don't forget to subscribe